Okay, now that our water is boiling, we are going to put our washed lima beans. Pour it in there and cover it. Okay, so when your pot is boiling rapidly, there, turn down your heat into low fire, like so it will not overflow. In a separate pan, heat your pan, put some oil. Once it's heated, put the onions in. And saute it until it's tender and cooked. All brown, I already put the garlic and saute. Now we can put our diced beef or any meat you have. You can use sausage or pork and saute until the meat is no longer pink. Yeah, our beef is no longer pink. It's already brown. So put our chopped celery. Stir and saute until the celery gets tender. Parsley. Stir and saute. Season it with any seasoning you have. Salt, if you prefer salt. Pepper, black pepper, white pepper. Remember guys, to always cook with less oil. Less oil. Too much oil is not good for our health. So now the vegetables are tender. It's ready to move in the big pot. This meat and vegetables here, we will transfer it here in the pot of water and the beans. Like that. Yeah. There you go. There you go. So season it again. Put bay leaves, dried bay leaves, and add the salt according to your taste once it is cooked. You can always adjust. We cover it back and cook. So always check it. Always stir it at the bottom so it will not stick. You can also add smoked sausage if you want. There you go. And let's stir it. It's already soft. So we just keep cooking it until the beef we put in there is cooked, and reduce the water. Let the water evaporate a little bit. Continue cooking in low heat. So guys, after 3 hours, it's not actually 5 to 6 hours, it's only 3 hours. I was thinking about red beans. So this one, the lima beans, is only 3 hours. I counted the time when I started until it finished is 3 hours. So it's already like this, creamy, thick. If if you want to add some water in it, you can. And because I will add a little bit water and add some spinach in there. And checking the beef, the cubed or diced beef I put in there is already soft. And behind the scene is I added some chicken powder in it to add some taste, and I added some more of the Creole seasoning. I added some more of this. Add whatever you need to add, and some black pepper too. Alright, so it's all ready to serve. Thank you guys. The lima beans that we cooked, I added a little bit more water to put some or add some spinach. That's how it looks. Just make your lima beans watery if it's too dry, and add some leafy vegetables.